Yeah, look, a fish in here.
I remember seeing them flying around.
Yeah.
I don't see anything.
Small fish, look.
Oh, look at the little baby one.
Aww.
Don't drop your phone in there.
I just saw a big one.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look, look here. Here. Oh my God, there's a lot in here, sir.
Oh.
Salmon. Go up here. We're gonna have some fish sticks. There's people who plan the business on their lands. There's a big fields full of this.
Oh, this is
In
the
some
top.
states, everybody celebrates with pumpkins.
This is the top.
And there's corn and the kind of, and the flowers. The sunflower seeds, you plant them and you get flowers.
Yeah, it's like a giant. Yeah. Raisins.
It's a maze.
Oh, look at that flower over there. Burgundy. I've never seen sunflowers burgundy. Over there, on the second side. Burgundy ones. I've never seen that.
They have the playground for the kids too. Yeah, we have one. Oh, they have the giant here, sir. Oh, hey, don't put your hands there, Sarah. It's dirty.
A peacock.
Peacock, yeah. Look what happened to the poor chicken.
Naked, huh? Peacock, 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 come on.
Stop somebody in between.
Oh.
Okay, I guess he didn't want it.
Oh,
I thought he
she
was.
got full belly
She's
in
gonna
here.
have a baby. She's pregnant.
Oh,
She looks that way. I remember
Look, another one's gonna be pregnant.
Yeah, it is pregnant already.
can I say hi? Can I have pictures? Oh, you see the small one?
Small one.
Oh, this is the one you got that.
Oh
year.
yeah. But I didn't buy them here. I buy them at the store.
So this is how much? Oh, white knuckle heads.
Each pumpkin has a different name. I guess.
Yeah.
Yes.
They-
Well, I guess you can make like pumpkin seeds with wart.
And these are what they call these something.
Oh, 125. $1 only. Oh, they don't have the decoration, huh?
What do you mean decoration?
Last time they had this decoration on the top.
Yeah.
Oh, they have the smallest one here.
Very tiny one.
Yeah.
The smallest pumpkins ever.
Don't forget how small they are.
Yeah.
I couldn't even paint on this one. But they are cute. I like this one.
You want to buy some?
So we got this one here. Three
Or if you leave
14.
them on, I don't know, maybe they... It's like
Oh, this one is soft. Look. Look.
yeah, you could probably stay out there and get green. I mean,
How much is one? 3 for 10. 3. Oh. Maybe
how
after.
many?
Oh, they have the coloring there.
Ethan wants to cook around with. Ethan wants to cook around with.
Sarah.
I
Look.
see a red pumpkin.
Oh. Look, the big one here.
A pink
Okay,
pumpkin.
those are... Some of them are eatable. You could eat these. Some of them are... The most ugly ones,
Oh, it's not to eat?
like this one here.
Can eat? Oh, yeah. This is good one.
This is good to eat.
Yeah.
But
You think
it's a good idea to buy them with a whole... This is
79
shop by the
cents.
pound. One time I bought one and I didn't know when I got the cash register was $30.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, I found a pumpkin stand.
Yeah.
I saw your pumpkin, Lily.
We have enough time.
What if the trainer?
Oh,
What if the trainer?
let me get put the... Okay.
They have some really weird pumpkins here.
Yeah. Scary. Oh, this is the one, the expensive one, right? This one can eat. Oh, can you check how many pounds is this? £7? 7 pounds plus.
We know for sure it's good. We could,
Grandma, that one looks like brain.
Still expensive. I got in the store only the small because you cannot finish
the
the
ones in
big
the
one.
store, you know for sure those are good to eat. I remember
Yeah.
my mom's cousin used to give her a couple of these during the season. But she more than 1 year she had a field close to her house.
Oh,
She's friends with a guy and he says, oh, if you need a couple pumpkins, go ahead and help yourself.
oh.
This is a